Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Njeri. Today we are in Laikipia County. We are showcasing this 6-bedroom mansionette. It's for sale. It's going for 16 million Kenyan shillings. It's located in Sipili Highway, less than 100 meters from the main road. So I want to give you the full house tour of the house so that you can be able to see if you're a local investor, a diaspora investor, a home owner, you're looking for a home, you can be able to see whether this is what you might be looking for. So let's go. So guys, let's get inside and see what this beautiful house has for us. So guys, this is the door. This is the door to entry of this mansionette. So remember, it's a 6-bedroom. So this is the space here just before you get to the lounge. So you have this space that is very beautiful, and we have that window right there and another one there, and this one that serves the lounge right there. So let's get to the lounge. So guys, this is the tile work space of the lounge. So that is the space of the living room. And then now we go to the dining. So this is the dining space here. Very, very spacious, guys. Look at that. Look at that space. Look at that. So this is the dining. This is supposed to serve as the dining. And then look at the natural space right there. So you can just put your TV right here and your decor on this space right there. So guys, you can see that the security of this house is very nice. We have those grill on these windows, so you don't have to worry about your security while at it here. Then all the way, trans all the way here. Look at that. So that is the space of the living room. And then now we go to the dining. So this is the dining space here. Very, very spacious, guys. Look at that. Look at that space. Look at that. So this is the dining. This is supposed to serve as the dining. And then look at the natural color, neutral color of the tile. It's a very, very neutral. So regardless of the theme color of your house, it will blend well with this particular house. So from here, you can be able to see the kitchen. So the kitchen is an open kitchen. So from here, I've shown you let me show you the lounge from the dining area. So that's the lounge from here. That runs all the way through like that. And yeah, so, and then this is the dining room here. So now let's head over to the kitchen and see what it has for us. Also, let me know in the comment section what you think so far about the kitchen and the dining. Go to the kitchen and see what it has for us. So remember, it's an open kitchen, and what we see, the first thing is this countertops. So we have the countertops are black in color. There's a house that I did and you guys asked me the color of the countertop. So the countertop here is black, as you can see. And then we have a double sink right there. Look at that. And then we have all the windows have a very nice grill just for the security purposes, as you can see. Then we have that extra storage right here. And then we have the lower storage running down all through up to that end. And then we have another extra storage right here. Look at that, which also runs all the way up there. And Then we have that window just for fresh air and the good lighting. So also on this space, this is where we have the sockets for the cooker. So this is where you can set up your cooker. And then we have that storage there where you can put your gas cylinder as you put your cooker right there. So this is very, very nice. Even for security purposes of your children. So right on the opposite direction here, we have that storage right there still in the kitchen. I really love the storage and the space of this kitchen. Also the color of the tiles, very, very neutral. Look at that, very neutral, not the shouting colors. I know I've seen most of your comments, guys, on some of the houses that the developers have put on some houses, and you guys criticize them because of the color, but this one, the color is very neutral. So I'm gonna show you the back side of the kitchen from this door. So even the quality of the doors on this house, man, this is really nice. Look at that. So we have this space right from the kitchen. We have this space right here, and which runs all through. You have a lot of space, a lot of space. Look at that. Then from here you can be able to see that space right there. And yeah, so the perimeter wall also runs all through the house. And yeah, so this is the door that will come from the kitchen. Then we have, that is the space that I was showing you. So from this angle you can be able to see the kitchen. Let me show you. So that's the kitchen from this particular angle. Very, very spacious, very spacious. Actually, if all the developers would consider especially space, especially the kitchen, I've had experiences with some of the clients, and one of the considerations they check is the kitchen, the space of the kitchen, the double sink, the color, you know, the tiles. But this one, I think it's a tick for me. Let me know about you. I don't know about you. Let me know what you think. So that's the kitchen. And then from here, since it's an open kitchen, you can be able to see the dining from this particular angle of the kitchen. So you can be able to be conversing with your diners just from this particular angle here. So from here, we are going to head over to our bedrooms. So this is where we have the staircase that leads to the some of the bedrooms that are up there. But before then, I'm going to show you the spaces on this side. So from here, we have this space right here. We have that space, which you can just play with the space. So, and then the tile work, that is I really love the tile work of this house. So guys, downstairs here, this is the common washroom that can be used by anyone in the lounge or just outside here. So this is the common washroom. So we have a sink right there, and that's the color of the tile work on the wall. So it's really very cool colors of the tile work. And then the doors, let me show you the doors of this house. So yeah, now from there I'm going to show you the bedroom that is right here. So the caretaker is currently living here, so don't mind the things you might see here. I just want to show you the space. So all the bedrooms are master en suite. So this is the closets on this particular house. Another thing I'm very sure you guys are going to love about this house is the storage spaces, like the closets, the kitchen. Look at that. Like these are the closets of this particular bedroom. And you might think it's just this bedroom. You're going to be shocked when you'll see the 6th bedroom. So since it's an ensuite, this is the washroom. This is the washroom that serves this particular bedroom. Also the tile work of the wall, that is the tile work. Also downwards, let me show you the tile. So that's the tile right here. And I think that's it about this particular bedroom. So I've told you the caretaker is currently living here, so I'm not going to showcase so much of the items, but that's the bedroom. So yeah, look at that, guys. Very, very nice. This is the staircase. So we're just going to, so the 2 bedroom serves those people who might be family and are not able to, maybe they have a problem, you know, yeah, or something like that. So this is the staircase that we are going to take to our next bedrooms. This house is massive. So you can be able to see down there. This is supposed to be the master bedroom. Look at that. The bedroom is massive, like massive. Look at the windows, look at that door, look at the views. It's beautiful. And then we have that TV area right there. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. And the space is extra, like the space here is extra. So you don't have to worry about space right here. And then it has a walk-in closet. So let me show you. So we have this walk-in closet right there. And the white, this is silk white. It really looks so nice. It really looks so nice. Look at that. So the tile work is also very beautiful. We have a window right there, you know, and then we have the washroom here. Very, very nice. That's the tile. And then we have that sink right there. And then the tile work of the wall looks like that. Look at that. Beautiful. And then, yeah, the colors, the developer of this house really kept things very cool. Like everything here is very, very neutral and cool. Just the beautiful color. I don't know about you, what colors do you prefer? So this is the lighting that serves that stairway right there. Very nice, very, very nice. So, and then on this space, this is massive. Like this one now, this one is massive. So, let me show you. So those are the closets right there. And then the space, it looks like my God, it is so huge. The house is big, like big, 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 big. Look at that. So this one, maybe you can set something like a gym, or I don't know. Look at that. Because who does that? That space is so big. Look at that. So it runs all the way to this end. Look at that. Hey, let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Then it has this extra space on this side. Look at that. So this one, you can have a view of the area peacefully here. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. So that's the view of the area. Very nice. So that's the space. So here in terms of space, like the developer here was very generous with space. Or what do you think, guys? Let me know, let me know, let me know. So imagine it runs all the way through to that farthest end right there. Yeah. Very, very humongous, very big. Look at that. So I've shown you the closet right there. And then on this side here, this is now where we have the washroom that serves that space right there. So this is the washroom to that particular area. Side, we have this extra space here. That space right there. Looks like that. And then on this side, this is where we have the space, the storage area for the water tanks that will take the water down all over the house. So you can be able to see. So this door will most probably be locked because it just serves as the storage area for the water tanks. So yeah. So that is the space. So I don't know, let me know what you think about this particular house, guys. Let me know what you think. This house is really massive. It's massive, 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 massive. Look at that. So right there you can be able to see that car. That is where the main road is. That is Sipili highway. And you can be able to see it's less than 100 meters to here. So let's go to the next bedroom. Look at that master bedroom. Very beautiful. Very beautiful and demure, right? So guys, that is the gate that leads to the house. So that is the view of the house from outside. It's a very nice particular house. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more house tours and property tours to come. So I'll see you in my next one. Guys, that is the tour of this particular house. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour as I have. So let me know in the comment sections what is your thought about this particular house. So the house is going for 16 million Kenyan shillings. It's located here in Rumuruti in Laikipia County. So today we have visited Laikipia County, and this is one of the developments that we have properties on sale that we are going to showcase. So let me know what you think. What do you think about the price? What are your thoughts? Is it worth the coin? So yeah, my name is Njeri. In case you're new here or you're seeing me for the very first time, you can subscribe to this channel because here we do a lot of real estate, property tours, properties for sale, Airbnbs, construction, and all that. So if you're that person who likes such kind of content, you can subscribe to the channel because you're going to see that in this particular channel. So without much further ado, I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also leave me a comment in the comment section, and make sure that you like this video. It really goes a long way.